Hello guys, review Tecno Spark 20C, this version 4GB RAM and 128GB storage, open box, look completion. We have 90 Hz display, stereo speakers and NFC. Green color, gold green color. Camera looks like a phone. Downside Type-C port speaker microphone. This side power button and wall buttons. Speaker, second speaker, stereo dynamics, and slot for 2 SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Display, we have six 6.56 inch. Okay. Open box. In completion we have protected back cover, adapter for charging, Type-C cable and key for SIM slot. Okay. Turn on device. Okay. We have display HD plus resolution 90 Hz, CPU MediaTek Helio G96, 36. Open settings. Helio G36, 50 megapixels dual camera, 4GB RAM memory, 5000 mAh battery. Okay, open Geekbench 6. Look results, single core score and multi-core score. GPU test results doesn't work. Look onto the benchmark results. Undo the benchmark results, okay. PUB Mobile works on the medium graphic level, and now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.